Hi guys, Martin Karner is here, and today I want to talk about the most important things that you need as traveler or filmmaker. I want to start with this little guy as the first one. It's a survivor filter, which is a filter that you just put on your bottle and you can drink clean water from any source of the water, even if it's the dirtiest waterfall or even lake, or if you are traveling around the world many times, you cannot drink the tap water. This is great thing because I was getting sick of the plastic bottles that I've seen everywhere. I got this little thing, and now wherever I am I can fill up my bottle and drink from this because it kills 99% of all the viruses, bacteria, and also it reduces the heavy metals and chemicals in the water. Number 2 is this card. It's called Revolut card and it's the best option for traveler, because if you are traveling you have only two options how to get the local currency. You can either exchange your currency, but many times you will get scammed and the exchange rate is very bad, so I don't really recommend exchanging your currency. And the next option is to get money from ATM, but there are many problems that can appear when you get money from ATM. The ATM can block the card and you will never receive your card again. It will be in the ATM because your bank has some kind of security. If they notice some suspicious action on your bank accounts in some countries like Thailand or something like this, they rather don't give the card back. Of course this is very bad because you don't have any other money, all is on your card, but you cannot get the card back. The next thing with normal credit card is that they have very bad exchange rates and they have big fees, but this card have always the best exchange rate and you don't pay nothing to have this card. I use Revolut card when I'm traveling around the world because it have the best exchange rates and no fees. And number 3 is Probiotics. I know it sounds crazy or however, but really Probiotics are working like magic. If you are traveling to countries where the hygiene is not so good, you can experience food poisoning or something like this. But if you are taking probiotics every day, it will help to keep the food poisoning away because the probiotics help to keep your inside healthy. Number 4 is this little guy. It's GoPro camera, and I really recommend to take with you while you travel GoPro camera because you never know what you can experience. You can shoot your holiday, then you can edit it back home and you can create amazing video. You don't need to share it on YouTube, you can just share it with your friends, family, but it's good because it's very small, very good quality, and it's kind of cheap. I made my most viewed video from Thailand with this little guy and it got over 5 million views, so don't underestimate the power of this little camera because it's really amazing when you are traveling. Number 5 is Gimbal. I found this Xeon Gimbal S gimbal the best for travel because it's very light. It have I think less than 1 kilogram. It's very compact as you can see. So if you are traveling as a filmmaker, take this with you. It don't take very much space. It's very light and it will help you to make these smooth transitions. We will continue with transitions because number 6 is transition pack. I think every filmmaker needs to have this transition pack because I found about this transition pack. I was trying to do the transitions by myself. It took ages, it was not so professional, but now when I have this transition pack, all I do, I drag it to the timeline and I have beautiful professional transition with just one drag. And don't forget, if you want to step up your filmmaking, I made free cinematic guide for you. You can click the link here or in the description. You don't need to pay for nothing, it's totally for free. You will receive a guide how to make your videos more cinematic and how to make also money by making videos. So everybody, see you later.